I am Obi Akwaba Emfa Emra GH Live Studio. Yeshiasia na yeba bidi krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Honkomo. Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Ekwakobo Pandu Heart of Lions. Na squad coach Dr. Prosperity Ugum Edi era game ni mono. Yere ebero yewia na yere possible starting 11 eri aka ho the amount. But before say you be able no say unyan subscribe to the channel na afi na o hwe ye ne a mesra so be subscribe o subscribe we na wa click on the notification button o click so we just pick all for all no say the video tuma you be the first person on sabeka na also wanya bi ahwe ama bibia enso aye kama midin edit na ba kwa gracious ma comment no emra like uwia share video no na unia and so enya the amazing content of GH Live Studio. Now before say yebewura na yede squad no edi ama no. Enra yekopie mo e Kotoko training grounds already in medical at the last training no and so report ni update at the April. But yenwrem because game na yewrem mo di akon. Team no prepare and their preparation no serious preparation coach Dr. Prosperity Ugum because enra yehu coach nedin ede Akwesi Apia no eka IMC ho and yesan so ehu technical director Malik Jabel, and after the training no they met the players and the coach and then the technical team now, all the media team now, they met and then commodity also. And this shows say Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no is ready to win double this season. They are ready. Fully and totally ready. Because recruitment at Kotoko team no you know. Abua team to be sincere. Now Kotoko is having 4 goalkeepers and Oko training grounds are and 4 goalkeepers no money no they are there for a future use. And I know say the Champions League on Bekakobo and other ABO participate because next season so we need Premier League na Obakobo CAF Champions League. What's also about Ghana Premier League, MTN FA Cup, and after the league no top 4 will be a President Cup. It's a lot. Inti se Kotoko players are a dozen one. Ebeboa team no ama you arrested some players, the players be abused because now on a team no they understand what they are doing. And we training na air course no. Ma fa san komo we anfa ma me fa we nin kan before say me de squad no ebeba no. Na niema bi course training grounds a ma ndi kan ni ho komo ewo the reporter me di kan di by ni. Me hu say coach Ogum say the players no bibi na senti ase nya adwuma the way we approach them nowadays no different from ashase no the na omo ka wo training grounds. And we actually say enkomodi a course wo team no sa ashase no na Ogum eka IMC ho na the issues bibreba, and now he is not part of the IMC but he is focusing on the coaching job. It's ama the communication with the players no different because nowadays oko training grounds na see be a player commit something bad and I say the idea of the game no if say it is not working coach Ogum approaching the panel in a sense nipa no bete ne oye na say, and so almost start be ma you see say player no ye ne coach no hwehwe. Yesterday I was telling you say Patrick Essiedu ball free kick bia a ball ban na say ehye, and the way Ogum edimrika a call pitch no so a call bam no, it was nice and interesting. players no any ogum kasa ni gye mu sere te sɛ Hansi Flick ɛyɛ Barcelona players no, and na ɛyɛ ade a ɛyɛ very interesting a na ɛrekɔ so a na biribiara nso ɛyɛ kama. Na game a ɛbɛkɔ so no, there are certain players that they are out of the game. One, Saka Dauda. Saka Dauda ɛyɛ out because Kotoko game Ukuada Omani Brekum Chelsea, and that game we saw him say, or we saw his name in the starting 11, but later on I never find it out to say he's not going to play, but Peter will replace him. We accepted it. After the game, I spoke to him and he told me say he's feeling the pains, he's feeling the pains, but he's hoping say he'll be fine. Thursday recovery training also, I was there. Friday recovery training, I was also there. But he wasn't part of the training. And everything shows say a couple game. Now say player no any part of the training and the last training session. Na nipa na obe replacing no the position no, he is going to play. Unless say ebia there are some technical meeting bia akoso ewo team no akachi. That is why I always say I'm giving you the possible lineup but not the confirmed, because it's not confirmed. All right. So as I was saying, Saka Dauda is out because he wasn't part of the 2 training sessions I call so Thursday and then Friday. So Saka Dauda is out. Akwesi Asante won't be part of the team. Akwesi Asante is not going to be part of the team because he's not fully fit. And onye training na actually say obey part of the team. So he's out and he's not going to be part of the squad. Let's go on. Lord Amwa still wantimi year training. So Lord Amwa and so out. So these 3 key players is not going to be part of the team. It's not going to be part of the team. And this is going to affect the team. Because Asante don't start the game via Kotoko. Yengra squad anymore. Goalkeeper Frederick Asari Eko. Enra training oyeye. So Ogum and the captain Frederick Asari Eko. I will come out with Asari, the contract and one seminal. So I'll come and deal with it. Nti ayana wa heya channel ne so na update ne ba na wa fa ne ntende, because this time Kotoko nkomo ne de ebedi ne mo pa our channel yi so enem de atofem enso edi ama yahwefo ene yetiefo. Goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara enso eka, so 2 goalkeepers are coach Ogum edi omo kono, they are all ready say omo enso ewo honoma omo ya available for the game. Joseph Ablo Enra, and Thursday he did a full training session, training grounds, and everything shows say he's okay and he's 100% fit. Because ultimately training session, their course in ultimately be there. Nature say we are fit and you are ready to play for Kotoko. So Joseph Ablo, defenders, Joseph Ablo, Henry Kwame Ansu, Kobe, Patrick Esidu, Samba Onel, Michael Sifa, Atran Achete. So Lord Amwa is not going to be part of the team or the defenders. And also midfield and attackers. Justice Blay, Andrews in team menu, Baba Yaya, Emmanuel Entry, Samuel Tenedu, Isaac Minta, Samson Eduku, Elvis J. Peter Amidu Akwa, Kwame Poku, Wisdom Fernando abem because Saka Dawada out because of the injury. So Saka Dawada out. The Saka out no. Wisdom aba beka 20-man squad no. One, Wisdom fit. He is training. Bibia you okay. Full training. Bibia koseno nkomodie how na nani age wo training ground no say coach Ogum Saka Dawada Wisdom Fernando Bessi echo game no mu. Na the last person aye Abrant and Dindi Albert Amwa. Ti Albert Amwa enso echo game ni bi ama bibia aye kama. So these are the players omokoma misanso nsi subiema. Frederick Asare, Mohamed Kamara, Joseph Ablo, Henry Kwame Ansu, Patrick Esidu, Samba Onel, Michael Sifa, Daniel Adrona JT, Justice Blay, Andrew Sintimenu, Baba Yaya, Emmanuel Entry, Samuel Tinedu, Isaac Minta, Samson Eduku, Elvis Cheibavo, Peter Amidu Akwa, Kwame Poku, Wisdom Fernando, Albert Amwa. So these are the players omo ebewura game ni mu. Okay. Yanko possible lineup. Frederick Asare is fit. And nowadays Eba Premier League na he's the one oda goal post ni mu nyina. Edema Kotoko. So Yorema Asare will be in the goal post. And he's going to be the captain because he's already the captain, the first captain for the team. So he will be in the post. So Asare ebedem that camera at na bench. Daniel Adrana JT number 2 because Lord Amwa is not back. So Ajete will continue to play at his position, which is the right back. And then the laterals. So let me put it, the laterals. And then Patrick Esidu and so Ebebo the position. Michael Sifa Samba Onel will start. When say Ablo, if you are returning, and Michael is not bad, and you're bad, our training, and you're bad all match days. So you already know say they are going to start. Though Ablo are returning. And also Justice Blay, Intimenu, and Emmanuel Entry will play because there are some different strategy Ogum Diaba. And that rule no say Emmanuel Entry and play that rule because nowadays no midfield hono I have be hono. And for the past games I have Emmanuel Entry starting Ayana star be but they want Baba to rest for Emmanuel Entry to start. Andrew Sintimenu Kwame and training grounds on friend Kwame will start the game. Peter Amidu Akwa will start. Peter will start because the past 2 games after recovery, the last 2 games are Wabono. You see, the guy is really fit and he's fitting Ogum in the style of play nowadays. Kwame Poku will start, and surely Albert Amwa will start in this game ahead of Elvis J. So if you say Albert Amwa starting ahead of Elvis J. don't be surprised. If you say Elvis J. will start ahead of Albert Amwa, normal. GH Live Studio. Meeting edit Nanaba Kwame Gracious. Kotoko squad Mudira game anymore. And the possible lineup. Possible. I'm not saying this is a confirmed lineup. Because he available players na players are Ogum Edomu era game no. And already Nancy Kobit Makataweni now Kotoko starting 11. And so it will give us all original Jesus. Ato Ashe. Ama Wife Fremi or 05571555505. If you want original jersey to wear, just contact my number 05571555505 or 0207573 650 on WhatsApp. Thank you.